If you want to build a stylus like this, just follow me. Welcome back friends, I'm your host Dipanshu Arya aka AQ Artist. So today I will show you how to build a stylus out of scratch. So let's go and build one. For making a stylus, we need some stuff which can be easily found at home. We need a used empty pen, aluminium foil, some copper wire, glue, scissor, and a earbud. Now we have all our stuff. Let's go and build the stylus. First we need to disassemble the pen, and we don't need the refill and the spring of the pen, so we will put it aside. Now we take the earbud and we'll cut one side of it. Now we have the earbud, so I just trim the earbud stick so it will fit easily in the pen. Now we can see that the earbud fits easily in the pen. Now the tip of the stylus is ready. I made a hole on the pen so we can put the wire inside the pen. Now we again disassemble the pen so we can easily put the wire inside the pen. As you can see, I have put the wire inside the pen. Now I am adjusting its length so when I put the foil on it, it remains as it is. Now I will start wrapping the foil on the pen. So this is the part where we are going to hold the pen, and the static energy from our body flows through the circuit which make the stylus work on the screen. Now I am gluing the foil, so we will stick it on the pen. I put some extra tape on the edges of the foil for extra support, and it looks and it also works as a design for the pen. For the stylus. Now the stylus has been completed. I will again tell you what we use for building the stylus and how does it work. For the tip of the stylus, we use earbud, and for the transfer of the static energy from our body, we use foil paper and copper wire inside it. As we can see the copper wire inside the stylus, which is connected to the cotton part of the earbud, which will complete the connection. I put some extra tape for the support of the foil, and it works as the design for the stylus. As the stylus has been completed and I have told what it is built of and how does it work, so let's go and test it. Now we have our stylus and let's test it on the phone. So first we need to just wet the earbuds cotton part. If it get over wet, so just dry it up on a cloth like this. It's work very well on the screen, so let's check it on a drawing app. I use Autodesk Sketchbook for my digital work, so let's see how does it work. So I just open a new tab for the testing video. So let's see, does it work? I will choose the pen. So it's going well, and it's going well. You can see that the stylus is working absolutely great. I will choose a different brush, so here we go, and we'll change the color of this, and you can see that I have to increase the size of the brush. Okay, now you can see that the stylus is working with every brush easily. I will show you some more different brushes. Enjoy. That's it. Finally guys, here it is. As you have seen that how it works on phones, I hope it will work on many other devices like the same. Now I hope you all understand that you also can build one stylus like this for yourself from scratch. You just need an empty pen, some foil, tape, an earbud, and a copper wire, and some glue, and just assemble it in a right manner, and you have one stylus for your artwork. As you all know that how to build a stylus from scratch, so go and build one for yourself and explore the world of digital art. I will love to know that how you all going to build your own stylus. Comment me and do also tell me how you like the video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you like the video a bit more interesting, do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never going to miss any upcoming contents, and share this video to your loved one. Stay healthy, stay safe. Signing out, AQ Artist.